First, respond to every review, every single one, whether it's 1 to 3 stars or 4 or 5. A 1 to 3 star review is considered, it's not the best review, right? You still want to respond to it. 4 and 5 star review, you definitely want to respond to it. Keep your responses short, sweet. Make sure they're polite and be professional. Know that when you respond to a review, people can read that in perpetuity. It lives on your Google business profile. So even if someone gives you a 1 star or 2 star review, and really it feels insulting to you, thank them. Sounds counterintuitive, but thank them for their feedback. Thank you so much for leaving this review, or thank you for your feedback. We're taking it on board, discussing it with our team. If you'd like to reach out to us offline, we want to resolve this for you. Please contact us at blah. Great way to show that you're taking on that negative feedback, you're trying to do something with it, and you're trying to resolve the dispute for the customer. A really effective tool that will help you stay on top of your reviews and make sure that you're responding to the customer in kind, especially if you get a 1, 2, or 3 star review, is a tool called My Review Dashboard. I have the link down below. You can go to myreviewdashboard.com. We use it with a lot of our clients. It's a great way to not only stay notified when a new review comes in, but you can also pop in and respond to the reviews and even turn your positive reviews into social images, put them into emails, and share them on your website. Check it out.